Okay, so we're in Rua de Ponte de Horta, and we're gonna walk directly down that street. I just kind of capture a little bit of where we are. So this is Rua de Seminario. Seminario is down that way, and then this one is Alfagada, I believe, which is another really beautiful street. And so this is, and let's just get started. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So I'm gonna do the counterclockwise. So that way is kind of like where the Filipino community hair salon place is at. And this one goes all the way up to San Lorenzo's church, and also goes to a seminary as well. So so there's some really interesting stuff in every single direction. Let's just kind of walk across the street here a little bit. And then this is kind of the heart of the Filipino community. So there's a bunch of hair salons, Filipino shops, all kinds of stuff down that direction. And then down this direction, Rua de Ponte Horta, is Sunsun Park. So we're going to be walking down Sunsun Park in a moment. And it's kind of a downhill one, so we're going to be doing that in a minute, but let's just kind of capture some stuff around us. Look at that, kind of cool stuff. All that stuff too, that's nice. Okay, so we're going to go down. That's where we're just... kind of move over a little bit like that. So that's going to be where we're going to be going down, and then just kind of capture some of these side streets too, because they're also interesting to film. Nice balconies up on top there. Yeah, and Sunsun Park is directly down that way, so we're going to walk down and film it. A lot of cool stuff to film around here. Yeah, we're basically going down, so when the typhoons come and we get storm surge, this will be completely filled with water, and then usually the water can't get up to here, so this will be more on safe grounds. So that's kind of cool right there. This will be a nice little place to live. You can look down these streets the whole way down. Keep on going down. Nice artwork. That's kind of a cool building right there. It's also a nice building right there too. Yeah, that's really cool right there. Yeah, it looks beautiful. Yeah, it looks so nice. Wow. Got a vehicle right there. Okay, we're going to keep on going down, but I kind of want to see what it looks like from this other angle too. So I kind of have a feeling that all of this looks nice. So that's the other side right there, all the way down like that. There's a Royal Supermarket right there. Look at that balcony. Nice balcony right there. All those balconies are nice. Nice rooftop too. Okay, let's keep on going down. And, food. Let's see. Let's see what this is right here. This is Filipino supermarket. It's this Global Indonesia Mart. So there's a bunch of Filipino and Indonesian food in here. I have been in here before. We get snack food from mostly Filipino snack food and Indonesian snack food too though. And we're going to be coming up to Sunsun Park. in a minute. And Sunsun Park has a lot of really nice artwork, really beautiful artwork coming up. The artwork kind of goes all the way around. There's London Hotel. I think that used to be called Hotel S. Oh no, that's Hotel S and that's London Hotel. I had a friend that stayed there once. And this is Blossom Cafe, which is a pretty cool little place too. Good place to eat. And Sunsun, there's a nice beautiful black and white tiles everywhere. And then Sunsun Park is here. And we're gonna walk by some more cool things. We had a friend that stayed in London before. So we're gonna keep on walking down. So yeah, that's a London hotel. For people that are curious about hotels in Macau, there's a bunch of them around this area. Another one here called Hotel S. Let's see if we can go into this. We're gonna walk into the park a little bit. There's a little bit of a play area. Some exercise equipment. Lots of exercise equipment. So yeah, it's nice. Let's see. I think that's some kind of government thing for the community. That looks nice. So there's all this kind of stuff too. And there's a bunch of businesses here. There's a nice Vietnamese shop that was in here, but some of these a lot of the foreign owners, they can't come back to Macau, so if they left during COVID, and I think that's always been closed, so I don't know where that one went, but it might be closed now. A lot of the foreign community, they're not Chinese, so they don't really have the rights to come back to Macau very easily. So or if they had a business visa or they own apartments but they don't have a resident visa, you know, I know some business owners, a lot of different foreign professionals who weren't able to come back because of COVID, and the government is blocking off foreigners from coming back unless they're Macau residents, and even for them they have to get the right connection of airplanes with the right origin to be able to come back. So a lot of them have lost businesses, lost their jobs, lost their apartments, separated from families. They're having a lot of hard time during this COVID era. But meanwhile we have about 25,000 mainland Chinese tourists coming in every day. So economically, you know, the priorities are more towards the tourism. So you see suitcases everywhere. But for the foreign community, a lot of them are hurting. They're not allowed to come back home for the last 2 years almost. So I think that Vietnamese might be a casualty of that. I don't see it anymore. But I remember seeing the storefront a year ago with COVID. But I think that they're no longer here. Okay. So that was our street here. Dang, that car's coming around kind of fast. There he is right there. So yeah, this is our street, and we came all the way down this way. Pretty beautiful little street actually. Here we go. And this is called, they call it Sunsun Park, but I guess it's also called Plaza de Ponte y Horta, which is the same. Plaza is plaza. So pretty nice. And we got some nice artwork. I also want to film it since we're on the street. I have one viewer who really likes to see Sunsun Park and likes this hotel a lot and likes this area a lot. So before we leave here, I'll just kind of capture a little bit of the other parts of it too. Some beautiful artwork right there. That's amazing. Let's just get on this side of the street so we can capture it better. Then we have another little street of art and such down here too. So this is all around like this Sunsun Park, and yeah, a lot of beautiful detail in here too, for sure. Okay, so I think we'll end it back on our street here. Pretty nice little area though. So that's our focus. Good artwork right there too. And then that's the whole park right there, Sunsun Park, and it's nice.